Down either. Zion. What are you looking at here? I think I'm trying to wait for this 1 minute to inverse. I didn't yeah, I mean, well, we have 1 hours below that haven't been touched yet. There is also a daily gap above. Correct. But yeah, it is actually doing pretty good off that 4-hour year right there. Um, okay. Yeah, I mean, right now it's just chopping, so I feel like we just need to be patient. A 5-minute FEG. Oh, where the um S&P's yeah, S&P got it. I mean, it did inverse that 5-minute, right? The 5-minute bullish. Yeah, that 8:30 was a news candle, or 8, yeah. It was 8:30 and 8:45. 8:30 was a news candle. Yeah, you got out at 1 to 1 instead of Yeah, that's pretty gay. That sucks. Yeah. I mean, I feel like it's really respecting both the inverse and the bullish below. It's just going in between the two.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
What's up?
What's up?
Alrighty. So right off the rip, um, see that we have a CISD. I mean, you can mark it here if you want. From last night. Maybe that was even yesterday, on the 4-hour though. And now we are respecting a 4-hour bearish for value gap. Um, I'm not gonna fade, even though my original bias was taking out that original low. Um, we could be rebalancing this range, so I'm cool with taking longs, especially since Nvidia had good
Order
earnings
filled.
yesterday. Oh, you're in longs right now? Interesting. Okay. We had a London sweep right here. We're also respecting this 15-minute. We had a
Also,
big news. We had a
there's an
news.
open daily gap. There's an open daily gap above.
Sure, it's already been filled though.
Does that matter?
Yes.
Oh,
And we have an extremely large new day opening gap. Wow, I didn't even see that. Is that real? Is that real?
does that make you think we're gonna go back down and touch that?
Do we have a broom?
Um, I don't see it though on the 4 hour. I just see it on the daily.
No, yeah, Trey, that's not real. That's not showing up on mine.
Oh, it is
Trey,
real. It's real.
how's that real? It's not showing up on mine.
Oh, it's fine. All right, we inverse the 12 hour gap. We'll just use the 12 hours. It's fine. Point being, we're disrespecting bearish gaps and respecting. We're probably just gonna make the bearish breaker right here. So I like those highs to get taken. I would love to see this news low get swept before moving higher. So until then, I'm cool with taking a short because that's a super high draw, especially with all the news. That's a huge volume.
8:30 or 9:30?
Yeah, 8:30 to 8:30 low.
Yeah. Looks like it's listening to you.
This 15 minutes gonna flip in 3 minutes. It might already have delivered by then. Honestly, it might be fast.
Order filled.
Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, it's just you just do long like right off the open with a news low. It's probably just it's okay. You said you only used one contract, right? Yeah. Do you think Powell was in that one?
What'd you say? You just don't think you're going to your next classes?
Just stop them all out. It's it's not good. It's not just gonna leave that data wick. I swear, it's gonna hit it. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna manipulate higher first, but it's gonna hit that data wick. Look at how like funky that candle looks. It was so bad. It closed right here, and then the next one opened right here, and then it hasn't touched it since. See that?
Ugh.
This feels like a joke move.
Liquidity sweep is gonna go straight down.
I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's That's why I'm not in because I don't have an entry model, but I just know that they're gonna try eventually to take that data info.
I wonder. I wonder if
I
that's
wonder
just
if
a
they
suite.
did ES. ES didn't even get close. It's still rocketing. Okay, ES just took this high right here, this New York high. That was on Monday. And so did NQ, but they did that earlier this morning. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this move. I like shorts. And now we just got a CISD right here. I got a 4-minute CISD.
So you're telling me after a fair value gap gets touched, it's no longer good?
I mean, it's still good, but it's like not. You don't need to like trade off of it. Like it's
Okay.
like once it's been touched, like this one's already been mitigated, so like you shouldn't be worried about this one anymore. Because if it's
Okay.
retesting it, if it's retesting it again, that means it's probably going to get disrespected.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that 15-minute held very well, but I still don't believe it. Dude, if I had an entry model, I would definitely take the short. Oh, we got a 1-minute inversion. I kind of want to take this. Oh, it's not gonna give me a good RR. Oh wait, yeah, it is. I don't know how I feel. That's a huge wick now. Yeah, no, no more. It's probably gonna play out though. The one that I'm not gonna take is gonna play out. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, one contract.
Yeah, I wonder if it's gonna try and manipulate you out, Trey.
I doubt it. This is what the manipulation leg should look like. It already did its job. This is not the candle I want to see though. Ew, that thing's gross.
Big wick.
I'm cool with this. Dude, that's fine. Eval. Bro, every inversion I take doesn't play out, I swear. It's okay though, because that's kind of retarded. I didn't even like that honestly. It was just because of the oh my God, bro. I don't think I've ever been so dumb in my life. You were right, bro. It's gonna just manipulate these relative equal highs and then go. And you can see those like perfect relative equal highs too. Mm.
Or it's just gonna go.
This is why I'm just maybe this is it. Maybe it's gonna just print another one. Building up LR now. I'm not opposed to trying this again. Such a strong draw. I mean, gosh, we got a sweep of these highs at 9:30. And that's not true. This is the 930 high, and it's a relative equal high. Wow, I am just so dumb. My IQ is just on the floor. All right, there's a 1 minute gap. Let's see what happens in here. I'm gonna get this thing off. This thing's confusing. Let's go ahead and just put the magnet up since I know where it's gonna go. And let's end her off of this. This is the manipulation leg up to these highs. This is cute. All right, come on.
30-second inverse.
I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute and 22 seconds, but this looks pure. This looks real nice. All right, here we go. That wasn't me, that was him. All right.
No, it already stopped me.
Why? How much are you
No,
risking?
it's about to 500.
Bro, what is this market? Inversion traders are they're just cooked.
Unreal.
Cooked. Are cooked. Like we are just absolutely getting cooked. Like look, as soon as we enter, it's just stop hunting. Dude, this has got to go. It's like LR and news low. I would try this a third time. I would get a new account and try it a third time on EVAL if I had to.
Like
this
right
is
now?
just no, it's like 100% playing out. Like I know it's going to.
Like right now, Trey? Like you'd hit
No,
sell?
I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna happen like right now. It might flush me out again, but it's gonna happen eventually. It's gonna happen. I will sit here and watch it all day until I get another setup down there. No, did we get an SMT up there too? Oh yeah, in 9 minutes. That actually might be what flushes us down there, honestly. Yeah, the problem is ES is just being gay. Like, look at it. It's just making all-time highs. That's the real problem.
What?
ES is just making all-time highs.
Bro, what is going on?
I don't know what's going on. Yeah, no, ES is the reason this isn't playing out. Yeah, that's true. Well, yeah, it's gonna stop me out again. This is dumb. I really like this setup is just so nice looking. Especially
I'm about to just close.
since-
I feel horrible about this.
How much are you down? Or like on the day?
500.
It's okay. It's still an eval, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I wouldn't feel horrible about it, dude. The draw is so clear. Like that news low is definitely getting hit. It's just the problem is ES. We just gotta watch ES.
My break even would be at
ES actually looks
235.
pretty. ES doesn't look that bad either.
It's
At this
these
point.
huge wicks.
We just need to flush this low.
These huge wicks are horrible.
We need ES to flip this gap and then it's clear.
It's almost like they're respecting the gap that has already been inversed.
Why? You're just looking at NQ, dude. It's just because of ES. NQ's fine. It's doing its thing. It's just the fact that Nvidia is like a huge stock in ES, and Nvidia had good earnings yesterday, so ES is ripping, and then NQ is just chopping. So like once ES is ready to move a little bit lower for a pullback, it's gonna flush. I just hope that it's pretty soon. Because ES can't just go up all morning. I don't know what's stimulating this move from ES. There's nothing here. We don't want to go higher. There's news low below, bro. The longer we chop, the better. It's a fucking huge candle. Yeah. Yeah. ES is probably just gonna. It's being so annoying. Why is ES doing this? Well, I got edged. What'd you say? Yeah, that's why it looks so good. It's because there's so much LR. But it's just gonna stop me out again right here. Because ES is gonna take the ES is gonna make a new higher high. My risk is on though, so I'm not cutting it. I hope so.
All these all these red candles have huge wicks. They just can't close at their low.
It's not that bad. There's just a one down here. Yeah, I'm cool with leaving it on, honestly. With it this close, dude. There it is. Well, I didn't get stopped, even though it went above my stop loss. There it is. See how much I just took on that.
I'm about to. I mean, this is
Down,
horrible.
down 1,600 on that today. All right, well, I'm gonna pull this other account. Dude, I've never been so confident in a draw in my life than I am in this slow getting taken today.
Order filled.
Oh no.
Who's doing that? Who just did that?
No, that was
Who
my
got in? Oh,
stop
that was your
loss.
stop. How much are you down today? 1,000?
Yeah.
That's okay. You're still up like 600, right?
I'm up 1,000 of my low. Maximum loss limit.
Yeah, like how much is in your account though? 50,600?
50,862.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bro.
Dude, these moves aren't even real moves, bro. These moves aren't real. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we're definitely bullish like on the higher time frames, but dude, that is just normally such a high draw. It's like the two draws, there's this high and then the 830 high or 830 low, bro. But like ES doesn't even need all that, bro. Like it's already been, I mean, four massive ass candles in a row for on the 12-hour and 4-hour. It's just like we don't really need to do this. Yeah, dude. This is a bad day for me. It's kind of aggressive. Faded the higher time frame, but bro, these news lows always get taken. Might just because it's the first one back and they're just making tricking everybody long term. What is that? Is that a 1-hour? What gap is this? Oh, this is the daily gap from earlier. I don't know why my chart looks like this too. This is kind of annoying. My daily chart. Yeah, like what is that? Is that real? Do you have that too? dude. Yeah, the old one. Yeah, you might be right. It might just be taking. It might be just doing this during the PM. Now it's relative equal lows and a news low. Thank you, NQ. Bro, but like, go look at ES and look how far away we were from getting that 8:30 news low.
Hey, where do you go to get on the E? How do you change the chart?
You can show them. You're probably on the same thing. Are you on Top Step yet? Or not Top Step?
Alpha?
Project X.
Yeah. Yeah, like how do I pull up two at once?
Sometimes your analysis can be correct, and then ES can screw you. Like that's literally what was going on this morning. NQ was making a play at these lows, and then ES was just holding us up. Yeah, yeah. At that point, we should have just longed with our eyes closed. Bro, I just don't. I mean, I think this is starting to get to me. That seemed like pretty an emotional trade. Both of those did. I'm starting to get kind of salty, like long term. It's just gonna. I mean, I've known where price is gonna go for the whole week and have lost every trade. Like I've literally read it like a book on Monday, and as soon as I enter, it chops around and stops me out, and then goes to my TP. It's just like nice. I mean, we're really just out here holding. We're out here holding 10-minute gaps and 15-minute gaps like it's our duty. We're in a bearish 1 hour right now from Monday. Wow, Monday's price action was clean.
All right, I'm gonna hop off. See you boys.
It's probably good. Catch you. Let's see what this 1 hour is gonna do. See if it's gonna give us the move that we want. Looks good so far. Hmm. I think I'm gonna size up for this next one. Just do two cons. Yeah, yeah, minis. Two minis. Yeah, pretty heavy, but it's gonna be a tight stop. And I'm telling you, I know where this bitch is going. And this could be an absolute banger. This could pretty much this could like literally print for the whole month. like this reaction. Like, look at ES, bro. Like, there's no way I'm about to short. Oh my God. ES. 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 I mean, literally. Like, what am I watching? Bro, NQ is just fucking chopping and wicking, and then you got ES up here just going to all-time highs. Bro, look at this move, bro. Like, what is that? We're bearish, bro. We are bearish until we hit this low. It's been established. We've been through this ES. And ES is out here trying to take all-time highs. I wonder why. I wonder what I was doing. Oh wow. Dow is in a daily bearish gap that has been untouched. And it's ready to take these lows. I know it. NQ better look good. Otherwise I'm not taking this. Oh yes. Alright. Alright. Wow. Relax.
The market is
Relax,
open.
Trump. All right, here we go. Good luck. Wish me luck. Yep. Huge. I have a $2,000 stop on this account. It's probably the best way to do it. Just wicked right
Order
down into that
filled.
gap too. If this stops me out, I'm probably gonna call it quits for the rest of the year. I mean, because like I'll just come back next year. I'll hold my accounts, save my capital, and enjoy Christmas. 'Cause it's been that type of couple weeks for me, where it's just everything I feel like I'm just doing it all wrong. Oh man. I don't even have a break-even point because that's how ugly this chart is. We'll go break even like right here. Just go get all of these people out of the market because I know you want to. There are so many orders resting down there at 9:30. It is unexplainable, and you need all of them. And you should have not have stopped me out the first time because you have just angered me. That's all you have done. All you have done is angered me. If there's, I mean, like, what is this? All right, here we go. This could happen so fast. It might just be like next few minutes. Or it could just chop, because that's like what we like to do. All right, I need to just watch ES and just pray that it does what it's supposed to do. You know, watch them side by side at this point. I mean, NQ is just like, it's like the older child, and then ES is just like a bitch. Yeah, it's just like a little slut is what it is. Why would it? Why would it? Foolish. Yeah. E- uh, bro. Loki? Oh, no. All right. I am break even. Uh-huh. At this low. I also got filled at 25,238. I don't know when you got filled. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. All right, Trump. There's LR right here. There's an unfilled, another that's already filled. Sorry. There's a news data wick down here at this low. If you come down here, you will make a lot of money. So move the market here. It needs to be over the next 5 minutes. Otherwise, there's going to be a 5-minute open up, and then we're just going to go up and take me out and then deliver. Oh, you're telling me, dude. You're telling me. I don't know. It's okay. At least I got break even. That hasn't even happened to me in like forever, I feel like. Uh, Yeah, I know. But like that's like the CE of that gap that's about to open is gonna be my break even point. How far? It's okay. I think this is just like a routine shop to confuse people. It's just all right. That 1 minute's holding too. I need to clean up my chart. Yeah, these bodies are kind of small now for the bearish candles. Oh, the market is being weird. This doesn't look great, honestly. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. At the end of the day, it's just being the financial market. It's moving aggressively in directions that are predictable, but also or probable, but not predictable. Nope. Well, I am 100% that low is going to get taken out today. Actually, believe it or not, it is 100% going to happen. I just don't know if it's going to be happen during PM, or what. But we did actually wake up into a 1 hour on NQ, directly hold it, and then flip all these gaps. So this trade should play out right about now, is what should be happening. We shouldn't be doing all this baloney. Yeah, I'm literally actually gonna be done for a while. I wouldn't trade tomorrow, even though tomorrow's probably gonna be nice. What do you play? Oh, cool. So a 5 minute indecisive candle is forming because we have been in the same place for 5 minutes, you know? Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Wow. Wow, NQ. You're showing some delivery like you're supposed to. Who's a good boy?
Order filled.
You're out there? You're broke even? Yeah. I wouldn't take profit until this news low. It's gonna get spanked. Oh, now look, the 5 minutes opening up. Yeah, oh, it's gonna. You just know. You haven't been paying enough attention to this market if you think that it's not. Wow, we didn't even flip the 15 minute. That's fine though. It's already been ran through. All right. Well, I'm not really proud of how this went today, but if this does end up hitting, then that's a $3,000 day for me. I mean, was it smart to size up? Maybe. Maybe, but it's just like, bro, I know where it's going, and this has been happening to me for the only reason I'm doing this is because it's been happening to me for the last 2 weeks where I get manipulated out of the market and then it goes exactly where I want. So I paid the price this morning, I got manipulated out. I still know where it's going. I'm being annoyed. I just need to wait a little longer, I guess, wait for my first move to not play out that I would think is gonna play out, and then take my entry. Because that seems to be what's happening like every time. It's true. It's true. That's just we're talking about probability here, and that does make it a higher probability. All right. All right. We can try that coming Monday. I'm not trading tomorrow, regardless if this hits or not, because I'm cool with this win. Oh, I got so dark. Oh, nice. A big candle the wrong way. Wow, this is oh.
Order filled.
Yeah. So about this move right here, um, I would say that I knew it was coming, but I would be lying. So they could just be sweeping this high right here to try to tickle people out of this market, which is definitely possible. Um, yeah, that really sucks for that move. I will say that that did just cook a lot of people probably. Um, so they're making it pretty hard for everybody today. Um, I don't think I still think there's a higher chance of this playing out than not. Um, I mean, did this 1 minute rejection block really hold? Like, what are these? What is that? That is insane. Why is it so dark? My screen just got so dark. It's just like it started raining on my screen. It's like the stormy clouds. Yeah, like actually, it makes you just want to curl up in a ball and cry and watch this thing hit my stop loss. If it takes this high, and it's just not. It ain't playing out. Did it ever get to this 5 minute? Because it did. It's in the 5 minute. Reject. Hold. Hold 5 minute. I forgot about that stupid little bitch. What are they doing? Oh, it's in a 5 minute too. Oh, this is gonna work. It's gonna work. I think. This is gonna work. I don't know if I would say it looks good, but I would say it looks. It's like something. Do we get like a 1 minute flip out of this? This is the model, bro. The 5 minute. So we're delivering out of a 1 hour, 5 minute bearish gap, and then a 1 minute flip. That's the model. That's the PB model. Oh, but we're not gonna get the 1 minute flip, so that means that all right, I'm gonna go break even officially at the inverse of that candle. If it inverses, if not, then I'm gonna take this loss. No, down, bro. This market's being retarded today. It's being a little special. Yeah, I know. It's been a rowdy day for sure. We're down like uh if we closed right now, we'd be down like probably like 500, 800,000. I mean, geez, dude. This is a lot of risk. Watching that P&L jump around is scaring me. It's building LR for higher. It just wants to move higher for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but it does. Oh, here it goes. It's taking it. Here's the blast off. The blast off. Yay. Somehow this is not gonna play out. I'm not. Yeah, today we're gonna get on later on, and everybody's gonna talk about how great they had a great of a day they had, and I'm just gonna be thinking about how on earth the data wick low at 8:30 did not get hit. Let's talk about the trades that we took today. So we had we had a relative equal high, or we had, hold up. Let's play these out. All these setups that just cooked me. So we had a sweep of these highs and a flip aiming at the lows. So we'll take a screenshot of this. And I'm going to send all these to PB and tell him his model sucks. And then we're going to go to the next one where we had a sweep of the 930 relative equal highs and a sweep of this high also, which is above the 830 news candle, which is cool. Okay, that's cool. All right, and then you get a flip of this. So you put the stop here. And then you get insta stopped again without the ability to move to break even. So you enter here on this candle, and you get insta stopped again. So we'll screenshot that one. And then you get up in the 1 hour, so it's like, okay, like more confirmation, right? You get up in the 1 hour. Let's see, where was this gap? It was on ES, I think, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I think the gap that we took it on was on ES, wasn't it? So we took a 2-minute inverse, bro. Oh, it's not okay. Oh, la, la, la. Oh wow, and the 5-minute flips is, let's go higher. Dude, if the 5-minute flips to the upside and then takes out the news low, bro. This might be just one of those days. Oh, it didn't flip it on NQ. I didn't flip it on NQ, but that's pretty hilarious, honestly. Like, bro, LR, and news low, and we're not. Look at that, bro. Look at this trend line, bro. Bro, are you looking at my chart? Oh, it's not. You see it now? Interesting. It's showing on the thing. Well, there's a $2,000 losing day for me. I was up over 1,500 at one point. And was really confident in my draw. But, you know, tease what it is. Lots of losses have resulted in me not caring at this point. I just don't know. I don't know what the goal is. I know the higher time frame's bullish, but you see all this chop. You see the trend line. We're delivering out of a 1 hour. We tap into a 15-minute, tap into a 5-minute. We're flipping gaps to the downside, and we are not taking out the low. So, you know, we live, we learn, and I just don't know. Like, I don't know how much differently I could have played this today. Right at 9:30, we had that insta stopped. I mean, I know this is technically a 5-minute gap, but this news candle is just not like it's supposed to get swept. It's not supposed to be holding price. So, you know, all the news is supposed to be is an area where we're supposed to sweep and to increase volume in the market. That's literally all it's supposed to do. Not develop a chop. Mm. Well, oh, what was the? So we took 3 trades all off of inversions, and all 3 of them didn't play out. So let's calculate the odds of that happening according to ICT. Wait, how does this work? Oh yeah, this is right. No, it's not right. Wait. Let's just ask chat. He's smarter than me anyways. Chances of something that has a 73% chance of playing out, not playing out 3 times in a row. Is that right? Oh yeah, it would be. Yeah, it's true. Less than 1%. It's actually about 1/4%. So that's the type of streak that's the type of losing streak we have been on for the past little while. You still can't see my screen? Okay, yeah, you can't see it? Okay, hold up. I'm moving this over there. Hold up, keep looking at it. Should I post this on TikTok? Yeah, like, holy crap, dude. Oh my goodness. Just put like peak life or something. I swear that's what people be doing, bro, because there's just no way. Dude, 1/4% is insane. That's like actually insane. I don't know where we're going. I mean, I've back tested it and I've had 70, 75, 80% win like rates like doing it. I've done 3 different sessions. I've had a 70, a 75, and an 80. No, I would do January. I would do 6 months. hmm Oh, no. This is back testing. Like for myself, since I started, um, I could do the math. I've journaled all of them. Over this past month, I'm like 7-11. I have a losing streak. Did I? Did I get greedy and just like not? What was my fill? I said my fill was what? 38, I think, right? I'll call it right there. That was the goal. To stop here. Wow, so I could have just I had 1-to-1 in the bag. Yeah, I had 1-to-1 in the bag. So the one time that I don't do 1-to-1 is the one time that it edges my actual draw and then stops me out. Oh, and now it's gonna deliver. Look at that displacement. I don't know, dude. There's like so much. There's liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here. Lots of liquidity right here. And they're just letting all those people absolutely bank right now. So I don't know. Because these people are up 120 points, 130 points, 140 points. JMNQ. But it is what it is. I'm coming. It's like loading. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it didn't even. It's not loading. It says error. They could probably see it. I don't know why mine's not. Really interesting. It's probably true. Yeah, I don't know what mine's doing. Oh yeah. Dang. Right to the bottom. Rejection block, bro. The 1 minute rejection block. Dude, nah, I can't at this point. Figured out a strategy that works for me. And I mean, dude, some days you just this is gonna happen where you know it's coming there eventually. You know it's coming there eventually. Yeah. I mean, what else is there up here? So you're thinking like daily gap, like it was too obvious, so they're just gonna like resweep the high and then move it lower to those lows that we were talking about that one day? Like tomorrow, you're thinking just a meltdown? See, I don't know about all that because tomorrow, like, I feel like there's got to be like an indecisive candle before we have like a huge dump. Two five three. What was it? It's 364. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm talking about this massive uptrend right here. Yeah, the Nasdaq likes to go higher. Yeah, I mean, bruh, we are delivering out of 4 hour bearish gap, and I'm trying to short. So maybe I'm the problem. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm just being a bonehead, being annoying. I mean, like, why am I shorting right there? I mean, I know that the news low is right there. We're delivering out of a 4 hour, and we've got a clear draw on the higher time frame. Oh, that's a BPR. Mm-hmm. I was just reading it as a bearish gap, but it is a BPR. It doesn't really matter. It's the same idea. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I mean, what kind of retard shorts when it's that high of an uptrend? Like, I don't know. I mean, the news wicks at 8:30 have like an 80% chance of the high and the low getting swept before 11 a.m. I know that's a fact. I've read that before and I've tested it and it does happen. So there's an 80% chance that we took out that low down there at some point before 11 a.m. And we tried it 3 times. We tried it 3 times. Tried it 3 times. I mean, yeah. Oh, look at that. The BPR, the sweep of the high, the inverse. I'm going to get on, and this is the trade that they're going to take. Somehow, they're going to find a way to wait through all of this manipulation, like expect a huge retracement up and then enter. I need to just get off of TikTok, bro. Like watching the other people, like, because people only post wins. So like, I sit there and like look at them. I'm just like, I mean, yeah, that is obvious. Not sure why I didn't take that. It's true. Well, I'm talking about like all these profitable guys too. Like I mean, some of them just don't even like DLC. Like they'll post days about dubs, and then other days they just won't post. And I'm just like, wonder what happened. Wonder what happened. Sometimes they post losses, but then they're like, bro, PB Patty was talking about how he's like had like a 19 out of the last 20-day winning streak, bro. Like, come on. I don't even like want to hear about that, bro. Like that is insane. That's not real. Like you can Nah, you can be, I mean, you can definitely win, but like, bro, I don't know about all that. 19 out of 20 days. I mean, his model definitely works, but it's just like 19 out of 20 days. Like, I don't understand. I think that they just have like divine, like, at some point they just develop this divine market experience where they're like, you can just, I don't know, it's all, and you can just feel it. Yeah, yeah, I mean, it's not supposed to happen. Man. I mean, like, jeez. I don't think I've ever seen so much liquidity at one point, like at one time. You got trend line, like, dude, trend line liquidity, a news low, relative equal lows. You got more trend line liquidity all the way up this. I don't think. Do not think.
Order filled.
To move lower. I'll ride on this 1 minute flip. Yeah, cool. Yeah, there's no 3 minute. There's a 2 minute, but it's gonna flip at the same time. All right, Zion, I like where your head's at, dude. Let's do it. I'm holding all the way until that news low's taken the whole time. This is like 200 points. 140 points. 140 point TP. Let's ride. Yep. I'm not. I mean, bro, the draw is there, bro. I'm telling you, it could be fast too. Yeah, yeah, it'll be trailed. Trust me. I'm not just gonna let it ride the whole way. But I think. I mean, yeah. I mean, I just don't. If we want to make a higher high, the only thing that is actually bugging me today is ES. ES is really selling the bag. What is going on? There we go. Oh, ES wants to actually make a move lower right now, apparently. Okay, okay. My stream, my computer just went. My computer just was retarded. Let's go here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. ES being dumb. Okay, my trading view is being retarded today. My whole computer is actually. Where's my am I not in a trade? Oh, I am. I don't know why. I hit enter. It's somewhere. Here we go. if you just keep hitting sell, eventually it's gonna go down, right? I mean, that's kind of the mindset we've had today. We've been acting very irrational. I mean, I've been like, oh, nice. Moving 50 points in our favor and stopped out for minus $600. Dude, if this 1 to 6R plays out, then I'm only up $800 in the day. Yeah, 800. That's how bad today has been. I've been down 2,000. I was down 2,000 entering this trade. But the draw is just so obvious. I like can't even like explain how much liquidity is right here. So if ICT was ever real, all of these lows would get hit in like a really fast way too. Once it gets this low, it's just gonna be so fast. One two nine 75. That's the 8:30 news low. I think it's gonna happen quickly. But what do I know? I'll just whenever there's a swing high that forms, I'll move my stop up to it. You said 9-2. This like yeah, that's also true. Yeah, we can do that too. We need to get below equilibrium with his range and flip a gap. I don't know how that looks. Okay, yeah, so this is 1 minute flips, and this is probably valid. This 1 minute holds and might be moving our stop up earlier. Dude, so like supply and demand traders are down here thinking like, holy crap, it's coming back down. We're gonna be able to buy like all in this zone. And it's just going to flush them out. Like this is the time where it has to happen. It has to be fast. I just don't I can't even like begin to explain how retarded I feel losing to these hooligans. I feel like I'm a retail trader getting beat by supply and demand traders at this current moment in time because that's how bad the model's been. Holy crap, this is flushing. Come on, continue. That's right. We need to start just doing this every day. Just letting you do the reading, and I'll just be like, yeah, cool, it's rad. I mean, if you're taking it, I guess I have to, because why not? Dude, I've lost all sense of reality over the past. I mean, like, dude, like just lose $2,000 doesn't even hurt. Go up $3,000 doesn't even hurt. Don't even feel it anymore. Just like part of the journey. Just part of the dream. Living the dream, bro. Part of it. You just don't give a fuck. Dude, there's gonna be one day where I'm just gonna be like, wow, there's a lot of money in my bank account. Or there's gonna be a day where I'm so drastically in debt from buying prop firm accounts where I can't even afford to go to McDonald's and get a cheeseburger. Dude, I'm just joking. I already know. I know how it's gonna end up. It's just so gay sometimes. Like it doesn't help when you have people like go online, and it really doesn't help when I see people like what I'm doing. So I'm kind of thinking that I'm hurting people more than I'm helping them. Like posting dubs and like I mean, even though I post losses too, but even though like when I post wins, it just like makes other people feel so shitty because I that's how I feel when I take a loss and I get on TikTok and see how everybody else did today. I'm like, eh. Yeah, it's just like simulated. Yeah, yeah. I feel like TJR right now, revenge trading FOMC. Except I'm revenge trading on a random Tuesday at 10:55 a.m., an hour and a half after the market's open. Yeah, no kidding, bro. I feel like backtesting is not even real at this point because you can just well, no, it's real. I know it's real. I'm just saying, like, if you don't like, I've watched people like backtest where they just like watch it play out and then they'll like move backwards and like edit the trades and like, and like all the results are just so bad. It's just like, it's just so bad. People are just not, people like but it's not their fault because they hear people talk about like, you need to be delusional. Like, you need to be, like you need to manifest it. So they hear that and they take their model and they enter trades on backtesting and they just literally manifest by editing their win rate, editing all the stuff, and then they get way overconfident. They blow up a million accounts. And then they get on TikTok and they watch people taking dubs, and it makes them want to just like literally hurt themselves. And I'm like, bro, this is just not. So I've kind of been felt pretty guilty about posting recently. That's why I was joking about earlier about posting. Like I'm never gonna post that because it's like not real. I literally I lost money, I didn't I didn't win, so it's just like because I know people post stuff like that, like what I had earlier. Like they'll post like halfway through trades that didn't end up playing out, but then they'll still post it. Like I know that's a thing. So I feel like everybody's been
Order
all right.
filled.
Well, if trend lines actually work, then this would be insane. You did. Look at that trend line. It works. Trend lines work. Trend lines work, bro. They work. If it flips this gap right here, I'll close my trade. But if not, then I'm gonna continue. Oh, it held. Oh, maybe ICT actually does work. It holds a gap and then dumps. Wow. Oh, dude, this is gonna flush. I just know it. They're getting people time to enter trendline trades right here, setting their stop losses at the news low. Think about that. What do you think is gonna happen? I think I know. I think I know what's gonna happen. I think I know what's gonna happen. Let them get in right here. Let them get a little in profit so they feel good about themselves. Let them get their stop loss down there. Flush them out. Oh God, I almost feel bad. At the same time, I don't though. You're trying to beat the financial markets with a trend line. Oh look, we got relative equal lows down here on ES. I wonder if we're gonna actually take them. Oh look, the news low is way down here. Jeez. Oh wow, my 1 to 6 hour trade might actually play out. Or 1 to 5.12. I could just close out for a break-even day right now. Am I gonna do that? Absolutely not. Am I gonna do that? Absolutely not. Yeah, I did. Nah, because then it's just gonna get. You might as well just close it right now. Dude, I'm just gonna. I'll just come back later and see if it just wins or not. Guys, I'll be catching you. I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. It's about to do it like right now. Oh, it's almost like I knew that was gonna happen. It's almost like I knew that it was gonna jump down like that. Oh wow. It's crazy how the delivery is happening at 2 hours after it stopped me out for the third time. Here we go. Oh, it's magic. It's like magic. It's like magic when it actually works. Oh, and it's not closing. Oh, it's giving me extra money, and it's not closing. Failed to close position. Gonna have to do it on my phone, I guess. It's literally just through my TP. Oh, it executed it. Yay. Gentlemen, we're up $600 today. Thank you. $600 across 3 accounts. $1,800 day. We were down at one point. We were down $6,000 today. You believe that? We went from hold up. Let's think about this. Let's think about this. We were down $6,000 today on across 3 accounts. So like 2,000 times 3 is 6,000. We ended up making 2,800 right there on 3 accounts. Now we're up roughly 1,800. So, and I wasn't even my trade idea. So, you know, yeah, I wasn't. I was done. I'm just sitting here talking. It sounds like I'm in a trade. I'm like, oh, all right, bro. Let's try the bitch. I mean, dude, like, tell me that draw is not so obvious, and we just didn't get delivery for 2.5 hours. I mean that. Oh, really? I would have just not ever moved my stop loss if you guys wouldn't have said anything. I was just gonna let it play out. You guys are just touching the. You guys are touching the chart too much, dude. Just let that bitch run. Yeah, I hear you. Wait, that wasn't it. Where's my? Wait, I don't even remember what happened. I think I deleted my thing on accident. It's all right. ES was freaking gay today. BPR. 1 hour BPR, and swept the high. It's oh, it was the 2-minute flip on ES. Shoot.
What is your best skill in the bedroom? I think I give a lot of credit to you, but I think that I give a blow job too, and I'm stuff. He was like, that was.
Zion, you still chat? You still yapping over there? Or are you good?